This is our first time driving for a minute. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna make a call just to the rent-a-car company, just to let them know that I'm in the passenger seat now.
125 through this one. 125.
Yeah.
Stop. Don't stop. Stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Stop. Don't.
Good morning, people. So, it is the morning after. Take this hat off, yeah. It's the morning after, and what time is it now? Okay, it's in the morning. Having our tea. And as you can see, we're not home, even though that says home. We are in Northampton, United Kingdom. It's been almost 3 years since we've been to the UK. Came here late last night to be with our dear friend and girl. There she is. Z is there. Yeah. So we're up trying to be awake. So what we're gonna do this morning is, first things first. Last night we rented a car. And you know, don't like doing business after 6. I don't know what you're getting in the dark. So what I'm gonna do this morning is I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna do a one-over of the vehicle and make sure that there's no scratches or no nothing. It's been a while that I've driven. There he is. Morning. He's there to join us. So. It's been a while that I've driven, living in Switzerland. Having a car is more of a luxury than a necessity. In Zurich, the transportation is, what's the word? Impeccable.
Yeah.
It's not what we've been using for Swiss transportation.
Only a long
But
time.
coming to the UK, we decided we needed a car. Yeah, so in the next segment, we will be outside checking out the vehicle. So, until that segment. Good old England. We are here and we've parked the car right around the corner. Gonna take some pictures of it this morning. Okay, there it is. It's right behind me. So what Jay could do is turn the camera around.
So, we dropped our guest off. Not our guest. She's not our guest.
We are her guest.
So, and we're just about to go around the car because we tried to do it earlier, but the video wasn't filming. So, here we go again.
Okay, so you gotta turn the camera around.
What's wrong?
Is it filming?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So, you noticed
So we got a little nick here.
a little dent there.
Yeah. Today is the 18th of November 2017. This is first light inspection. Got a little dent here on the rear back door. On the front tire, you can see here all the scrapings that seem like a previous renter. Got a little nick there as well. So that's not by our doing. And as you go around the car, on the front tire, there's also a little tiny nick there that we got the car with. As we go along, everything else seems okay. Let's take a picture. And we're good to go. Let me take a picture from the front.
Got some big piece of fluff on your chin.
Okay, so that looks all right.
This is what we got ahead of us. This is the car navigation system one because we don't know where we're going. We don't know this area of England. So, and look who's driving! Keep your eye on the road. And this is, let me extend this stick a little bit. And you can see what we're working with in the UK.
I'm in the passenger seat now. Wife is about to take us home, following the sat nav. I'm gonna navigate her as well.
Very close.
So, this is our first time driving for a minute, but she's boss like that, you know. So, this is the Sebastians on the way. We are in Northampton. You know, easy.
To the break.
She's warming up. Go out so you can see the traffic. So you can see. Yeah. She's clear. And we are on the go. Okay, so we are back at our friend's place. Yeah, and we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna make a call just to the rent-a-car company, just to let them know that this morning when I woke up, I seen those are the Knicks. Other than that, everything has been good. So we're pretty excited, you know, thinking we should have done that when we went to Jamaica.
Yeah.
We would have, yeah, we would have seen more of Jamaica.
Yeah.
But next time,
Next time.
you know. So we're still tired, so we're gonna go in. We're gonna rest up, and then in the evening, in the afternoon, or later, we could go down to this Kobe Center
Yeah.
and
See what it's about.
see what it's. Later, we could go down to this town center
Yeah.
and see what it's about. So, all right. Until then, hope next time you see us, we look more awake and
Yeah, because I'm tired.
peace. We're vlogging in Asda. As the world.
Did
Okay.
some bacon sandwiches in the morning. Because I've had bacon for ages. Did you have any of that cheesecake yet?
Yeah.
Make some.
I didn't try
You
it.
liked it?
I said it was nice. I had a taste. I didn't try it.
See?
That's what she calls trying. Lindsay had an arrangement.
What?
I am vlogging.
You get alcohol, don't you?
Oh, tomato sauce.
Thank you very much.
Sauce with a bacon sandwich.
Yeah, tomato sauce with bacon sandwich, and tomato sauce and bacon sandwich, and what you call it? What you call it? Z. Ooh, yes, chocolate. Look,
These are the ones that they have in powder.
the world of chocolate. Talk to the vlog. Tell it to the vlog. Do it for the vlog.
Trying to get some Cadbury's chocolate for my people in Zurich.
We got a lot of Cadbury chocolates here, but we're looking for specific.
Specific bars.
This is dairy milk. What we want.
Oh, we want fruit and nut and all that, but we want the bar bars.
Look at that massive.
They've got a big one up there. Right, oh, it's behind us.
The one franc. Oh, the 1 franc.
There it is.
It's a little more than 1 franc.
Look, pound.
Let me show what's going on.